This is the JoKeR Racing brothers, ready to get. They're on their MX350. Yep, these are electric bikes, 36 volts. They have done their electric motor sport bikes, Pocket Rocket and Mini Moto before, so they traded up for these dirt bikes, and they're going to show us what they could do with here in this area. Okay, they're going to go all the way around and then back, okay? Get ready, get set, go! No, just take your time. So these bikes reach up to around 10 miles per hour. I think that's the max. They got their protective gear on because they've not really done that much actual dirt biking. They've always been on the streets with it. So they're just trying to get used to it. And so we're going by these little bunny hills and everything. Good power, good power. And the cool part about it is that I don't have to deal with the registration and all that because these are electric powered. So if there is any law enforcement that come and stop us to find out if we have registration in this particular state, we don't need it because there's not much to need on an electric bike. It's quieter, there's no dust, there's no fumes that are coming. I wish I can get them, you know, the actual real ones, but you know, we just don't have the time. Ready, get set, go! Pickup on these electric bikes aren't that good, but once they get going, Ronan's doing his tricks already. Shouldn't do that. And there his brother overtakes him as usual. Because he doesn't play around. He constantly plays around. Realize that these dirt bikes don't really go that well on dirt. We actually stopped and went back to our house to try out these because I guess any kind of hill or any kind of up, you know, inclines are kind of hard on these bikes. They just won't have enough juice. So if you are going to get an MX3 electric dirt bike, my suggestion is very small areas that have dirt that don't have too many hills, because these bikes just can't handle it. But they are having fun, and that's what all it's about.